All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Man, busy Monday. Busy Money Monday. Ba, 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 ba. Watch list on point so far. Man, nerve setting up nicely, trickling lower. We're going to look at probably that 1089 or even round up to that 11 area. Man, I tell you, and Alex can probably grab the link. But if you weren't here, remember I'm doing Friday 2 p.m.s on YouTube as well. Killer read on Nerve Friday afternoon, man. I don't know if we've seen as textbook of a Friday squeeze. I mean, billionaire hedge fund, low float, idiots, trap short. I mean, well, listen, Nerve was beautiful Friday morning. And remember, if you were on pre-market prep, we talked about, what was our key level Friday morning? 750? Yeah. I mean, look at that. Okay, right there it is. 8:39 a.m. Nerve over 750. Break 750 about 11 a.m. Goes to 10. But again, if you go to that YouTube video, we had a killer read breaking out of that 10 level as well. So just, I mean, listen, you can, these stocks, so many, and even the 8 break. I mean, it's like, when you got something like this on Friday, again, I won't beat it to death, because it was all on that Friday video. If you don't watch it, you don't want to get better. And if you don't want to get better, I have no use for you. Because if you have some sort of desire to sit in some sort of stasis, or even worse, get worse over time, I have no use for you. What we're all about, what I'm all about, little bit every day. Constant progress, never resting, never sitting in a stasis. Listen, man, burn it up. You only got 80 some years. Well, I got 120 on this planet, but you only got so many years on this planet, man. If you're not trying to get better, learn, then I don't even know why you're here. Anyway, Dave Goggins impersonation over. Check out that video, and I tell you, it's why I just beg and beg and beg everyone to whatever you can do. And I say this almost every Monday morning, whatever you can do to free up your Friday afternoons as a part-time trader, man, do it. Bed Bath & Beyond, Oracle looking at 12, standard dip and rip. I like that, Oracle. So, anyway, these are all weekend watch list ideas. So, and it is, wait, yeah, 29. Didn't I already make a note? What did I do with my note? Am I in the wrong notebook? Didn't I make it? I swear I made a note. Oh, I'm in the wrong notebook. All right. Anyway, I got to fix that now. Great. My notes are... And I'll say it, and I'll say it, and I'll say it, even though everyone will ignore me. Well, not everyone. A significant majority of you will ignore me. Remember, Bed Bath & Beyond will end badly. Okay? And I'll keep saying it. I mean, I don't know. Whatever. This is gonna be RDBX. Okay? It will end badly. Just day trade it, okay? Don't believe in this thing. So, but I mean, listen, a month from now, when Bed Bath & Beyond goes to $1 and gets delisted, I'm going to have somebody be like, well, Tim, back in August, you loved Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah. As a day trade, don't be an idiot bag holder, just use your brain, okay? We know what Bed Bath & Beyond is. GGII, looking for a morning panic on that guy. I know, an OTC. Look for morning panic, dip buy. Otherwise, if you got the gap, sell the gap. Mike asking about OLB. Decent breakout, multi-month breakout. 6 million shares traded, 10 million float. What is this one again? Oh, crypto. I mean, I'm not in, well, is it crypto or what is this thing? I'm not in love with any crypto plays. I mean, Bitcoin's back under at 20, but, I don't even, yeah. If you get float rotation, dip and rip, otherwise afternoon VWAP hold. Drug, yeah, Christian, man, it's incredible, man. Drug, we talked about this one Friday. I don't know if I can recall a stock getting pumped by the big chat room. I mean, I think every day last week, like every single day last week, and this thing still survived. You know, a week ago, 80-cent stock. Here we are at $3. So I like this 350 or right that 340. Area, Oracle, 346, 340, 350. Again, I'm not going to nitpick over pennies, but I like the Oracle level of 350. Now, this will end badly, too. I mean, at some point, the chat sheep are going to exit. But again, like I said, I cannot recall something with just the repeated chat pumps. And then, I mean, this started a week ago today, or 2 weeks, the 18th. Yeah, I mean, almost 2 weeks ago. So, how do you find the Oracle? Remember, Skeeter? So you see the Oracle levels on my chart. Just go to your chart indicators, and right there's your Oracle support and resistance levels. So that's the beauty. So like let's say Apple. Okay, Apple's probably never going to be on Oracle because it's not volatile enough. But you can see I can drop any stock in with my Oracle support and resistance levels. OLB chat pump. All right. 9:45 or later. So FYI, OLB. Thank you, breaking news. And I know I say it every time, but I don't need to watch all this crap. I don't need to have my brain tainted by Twitter. I don't need to have my brain destroyed by crappy weirdos on the internet. I can just use breaking news. AREC, Graphitis. Isn't AREC, is anything going on? Isn't that dead? I mean, it's steadily uptrending, but I don't know. I mean, I would never, ever, ever, ever recommend day trading a stock trading. I mean, Friday, it's just barely, it's barely trading 1 million shares. So sorry, I can't give you a read on an illiquid stock. It's just, it is what it is. So INDO hanging around, dip and rip through 1070. Wish long term. Hey, listen, I tell you, when people, I respect the fact that people still remember, hat tip to you guys for remembering the Wish joke. Because I think like the last time, the last time like I absolutely lost it on pre-market prep was like, I want to say like a year ago when someone, when everyone was like asking about Wish. I respect the fact that you guys still remember the Wish gag, man. Impressive. CFEI. So man, Rumble, #1 app I believe it's still the #1 app on the App Store, right? So Rumble has been crushing it over the weekend. Where do I go? Where do I see that real time? Okay, doesn't top free. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's there now. It's #7. So basically the story is, Rumble, I would hope you guys saw this, but all weekend it's been it was like at the top of the App Store, still at #7 this morning. I mean, it's ahead of Snapchat, it's ahead of WhatsApp, it's ahead of Facebook, it's ahead of Spotify. So anyway, getting a lot of news. Volume stinks. Afternoon VWAP. Possible swing trade, by the way. I don't hate the swing idea. So news all weekend. Light volume. For sure. A go, no go in the afternoon for a swing. And if you don't understand the go, no go philosophy, it's pretty simple. It's just, the idea is when you're talking about these slower moving, quote unquote, real stocks, you're just looking for that nice gradual trending action into the afternoon. And then above VWAP is our go. That's our confirmation that the bulls are in charge. Below VWAP in the afternoon, it's a no-go. That's our confirmation that the sellers are in charge. So, all right, let's take a peek at Oracle. What's #1 for today? Definitely drug, top of the list. I don't hate OLB. It's just it just needs to survive. It's a chat pump. Woo! A lot of red on Oracle, man. Yikes. Wow, I didn't see that. Of course, market's in the tank. So, look at it. Look at Oracle bleeding out. So, OLB 945 dip and rip. Nerve, BBBY, INDO, GGII for a morning panic. Otherwise, hey, you don't have to trade every day. Okay. And those of you that know, I very often use Oracle, and I recommend you do the same, as a tool to determine how aggressive to be on the day. Okay. And when it looks like this, usually it's one of those days, be like, whoa, is this morning time to be aggressive? Or do we want to see things shake out and look for an afternoon trender? So now how do I always end these webinars? There will be one today. There will be one, but just be cautious in the morning. Listen, you're probably here because you're a newer trader. Welcome aboard. When I see indicators like this, market in the dump, a lot of fear, the very first thing I'm going to say to a newer trader, the best piece of advice is you don't have to trade every day. Okay. It's never easy, but trading is never easy. But there are, I talk about, ideal days and non-ideal days. Based on what I see this morning, hey, save your day trades. Read a book. Watch past webinars. Hit the gym. Come back this afternoon. So, all right. Have a great day, my friends. Stay safe. Kind of shaky out there. We will see you next time.